Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. Today, I'll show you how to fix the TextFree error 9029 registration fail. Firstly, try clearing the app data. Next, we're gonna need to use a VPN, and the best VPN for this is NordVPN. Firstly, download and install the NordVPN app on your device. Then launch the NordVPN. Choose a server. You can find the link in the description for a discount in your next NordVPN subscription. Connect to a US or Canada server, then clear the data for TextFree. After that, with the VPN enabled, just complete your registration and it should be fixed. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Don't try to switch between servers, just use a US or Canada server as TextFree is only available on these only two servers. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.